Hello, here we are again, another video. This is for the Kew Alto Nilfisk machines. What I've simply got here is a hose for the Nilfisk Alto machines. What normally happens is, this is the hose that you get with the machine quick release, mainly on the Nilfisk machines. Now this end clips into the gun, and this screws on to the machine. What I've got here is an extension hose. Now this is not crimped ends, this is with 1/4 inch BSP, so it means that if you ever need to do anything with this hose, Nilfisk goes down, you want to change to run the machine, you can do. So these ends screw on with 1/4 inch BSP threads, so it's not a wasted hose, the ends aren't crimped in. What simply happens is, you click this into your gun, you put this onto the machine where this went first, and then you would attach this to make it an extension hose, not a replacement hose. This would then screw onto the pressure washer, and that will clip into the gun. So what you've simply got here is a hose for the old Kew machines, Altos, and also for the new Nilfisks. Not with the built-in hose reel. This is for the machines without the built-in hose reels. Thank you very much. Kew Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. This is a 250 bar rubber hose, proper industrial, not the plastic hose that comes with the machines. These are available in 10, 15, 20 metres, 25 and 30 metres if required. Just contact us. Thank you very much. Kew Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.